Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Love Newmarket Light Switch On broadcast on Facebook. My name is Paul Brown and I'm the Love Newmarket Bid Manager. This evening I would like to welcome our Mayor, Mick Jeffries, who is going to give us a few words.
As we approach the festive Christmas period, I hope that just for a short while we'll be able to forget this difficult year. Let us enjoy the bright Christmas lights and the Christmas decorations that bring such good cheer to the long winter nights. And I hope that we can all look forward to much better days in 2021.
As you all know, this has been a very tough year, not just for our residents, but most importantly for our businesses. And with hope that a new vaccine will be developed and some normality will happen later next year, I'd like to finish on that positive note and wish them all a happy Christmas and a better 2021. Thank you.